I don't think people understand just how advanced drone technology has become. Over the past few years, we've seen leaps and bounds in the capabilities of these unmanned aerial vehicles. From surveillance to combat, drones are now integral to modern warfare. Let's dive into Russia's S-70 stealth drone, a marvel of modern engineering and a testament to the country's technological prowess. The S-70 Okhotnik B, Russia's sixth-generation stealth drone, packs a powerful punch. This isn't just any drone, it's designed to be a game-changer on the battlefield. First unveiled in 2017, this beast draws on the Su-57 fighter jet's tech, making it a formidable ally in the skies. The integration of such advanced technology means it can perform tasks that were previously unimaginable for unmanned systems. It's armed to the teeth with bombs and missiles, everything from 250 and 500 caliber bombs, ensuring it can handle a variety of combat scenarios, to air-to-surface and air-to-air missiles. This versatility makes it a significant threat to both ground and aerial targets, and it can fly at over 620 miles per hour, covering nearly 6,000 kilometers. This range and speed allow it to reach distant targets quickly and efficiently. What makes it stand out? Its stealth technology. In modern warfare, being undetectable is a massive advantage. The S-70's flat nozzle design helps it slip past enemy radar. This design minimizes its radar cross-section, making it nearly invisible to enemy detection systems. Plus, it can autonomously take off, land, and perform complex missions. This level of autonomy reduces the need for human intervention, allowing for more efficient and safer operations. This drone is set to revolutionize combat, working side by side with manned aircraft like the Su-57. The synergy between manned and unmanned systems is the future of aerial warfare. With the geopolitical landscape shifting, Russia's keen to maintain its edge in drone warfare. The S-70 is a clear indication of their commitment to staying ahead in this technological race. The S-70 is more than just a drone. It's a glimpse into the future of military strategy. Its capabilities suggest a shift towards more autonomous and versatile combat systems. Stay tuned, because the battlefield is evolving. As technology advances, so too will the strategies and tools of warfare. The S-70 is just the beginning of a new era in military aviation,